Giving hope is the best return on investment, and you can do this through the Uganda Chicken Farm Project. The Uganda Chicken Farm Project feeds the hungry, provides money to educate children, provides nutritious food for the community, and creates sustainable employment for the people of a village in Uganda. Through a chicken farm, they generate money for a school for orphans and employ people in the town. By donating, you are empowering orphans through education. You are empowering women to work in their community, and you are empowering the whole community to bless others through the blessings they receive. By donating, you are giving the people of Uganda independence and pride in their work. They will be able to provide for themselves and their families. Participating classes will be competing to raise the most money per student for the Uganda Chicken Farm Project. The competition begins May 25th and ends June 1st. The winning class will get a pizza party. How cool is that? Any spare change will help you get the pizza party and also help the people of Uganda. Through the Uganda Chicken Farm Project, you are giving hope, which is the best return on investment. For more information, follow us on Twitter at #ChicksForChild and on Facebook.